This is the story of little bird who lived in hot, dry desert. Her life was full of pain. She was always sick. Most of her feathers had fallen off. She could not fly anymore. She had no home, no food, no water. Just silence, struggle, and sadness. She felt alone every single day. One day, a white pigeon was flying across the desert. The weak bird saw him and called out, "Brother, please stop." The pigeon stopped and came near. "What happened, sister? Why do you look so sad?" he asked. The little bird looked up and with tired eyes and asked, "Where are you going?" The pigeon replied, "I am going to heaven." Hearing this, a small light of hope came into the bird's eyes. She folded her teeny wings and said, "Brother, please ask God about me. When will this pain end? When will my bad days become good?" The pigeon felt her pain. She nodded, "I will surely ask God about you," and he flew away. When the pigeon reached heaven, he met an angel at the gate. He told the angel about the suffering little bird and asked about her future. The angel replied, "God has written 10 more years of pain for her. She will not get happiness until then." The pigeon was heartbroken. "If I tell her this, she will lose all hope," he said. "Isn't there any way to help her?" The angel thought for a moment and said, "Tell her to keep saying one thing again and again in every situation. Thank you, God, for everything. This is her test." The pigeon flew back and gave the message to the little bird. At first, she didn't understand. Thank God for this life. But still, she made a promise to herself, no matter what happens, I will say, "Thank you, God, for everything." That day, when she fell on the hot sand, she said, "Thank you, God, for everything." When she was hungry and couldn't find food, "Thank you, God, for everything." When she was tired, weak, and sick, still he said, "Thank you, God, for everything." Day passed slowly. Something magical started happening. Her feather began to grow back, new, strong, and shiny. One day, a dark cloud covered the sky. The wind blew fast, and suddenly rain started falling. The dry desert began to change. Green plants grew. A small water pond appeared. The bird drank water, felt strong again, and for the first time in a long time, she flew. After 10 days, the white pigeon was passing by again. He was shocked. The bird who was once weak was now flying happily. The desert, which was once dry, was now full of life and green. She quickly flew back to the heaven and asked the angel, "How did this happen? You said she would suffer for 10 years. It's only been 10 days. The angel smiled and said, "Yes, 10 years of sorrow were written in her fate, but she changed it." When someone truly says, "Thank you, God, for everything," in every moment, good or bad, they burn their past karma. She passed her test. Her pain ended early because of her pure heart and gratitude. Most of us started complaining when life becomes hard. We ask, "Why me?" But we forget that gratitude has the power to change our lives. When we say, "Thank you, God, for everything," in pain and in joy, our destiny starts to change. Complaining makes life heavy, while gratitude makes it light. So from today, promise yourself, whatever happens, I will thank God with all my heart, because sometimes this is only a small change can bring a big change in your life. Let's say it together. Thank you, God, for everything.